Namaskar Bharat, Satyameva Jayate. My name is Trisha Chakraborty and I'm an advocate practicing in Supreme Court of India. So these are the 6 to 7 questions which is very much important while going through this Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1986. So we need to know what is an arbitration, which is a basic thing, and then we get into the arbitration agreement. Then we get into arbitral tribunal. Fourth is arbitral award and its measures. Next we talk about some of the few of the convention, that is first New York Convention, then Geneva Convention. Next we talk about arbitration, India's international arbitrational center, jurisdictions, locations, and of course the conduct of micro, small scale enterprises arbitration 2024 act. I'll go through the flow chart of this particular act. We start from section 567 to until section 43. So let's start within a very short timing. So here it goes, like Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, and then you get into arbitration. This is a flow chart. In arbitration you get this general provision, arbitration agreement, composition of arbitral tribunal, jurisdiction of arbitral tribunal, conduct of arbitral proceedings, making of arbitral award and termination of the proceeding. Then you got this recourse against arbitral award, finally an enforcement of arbitral award, and then miscellaneous. Okay, now let's start with the general provision, which says that notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force in matters governed by the part, no judicial authorities shall intervene except where so provided in this part, section 5. Next part is section 6, which says parties of the arbitral tribunal with the consent of the parties may arrange for administrative assistance by a suitable institution or person. Next, we talk about arbitration agreement. Arbitration agreement means an agreement by the parties to submit arbitration all or certain dispute which have arisen or which may arise between them in respect of a defined legal relationship, whether contractual or not, which is in section 7. Section 8, power of judicial authority to refer parties to arbitration. Section 8. Composition of arbitral tribunal says parties are free to determine the number of arbitrators provided that such number shall not be a even number. Section 10. Now, what about the jurisdiction of arbitral tribunal? Interim measures ordered by the arbitral tribunal, which is in section 17. Conduct of arbitral proceeding, parties shall be treated with equality and each party shall be given full opportunity to present his case. Section 18. Section 19(1), the arbitral tribunal shall not be bound by the code of CPC 1908 or Indian Evidence Act 1872. Now, next comes 22, subsection 1. Parties are free to agree upon the language or the languages to be used in the arbitral proceedings. Section 22, subsection 1. Making an arbitral award and termination of proceeding, which says arbitral award shall be made in writing and shall be signed by the members of the arbitral tribunal. Section 13(1). Next, termination of arbitral proceedings, section 32. Recourse against arbitral award, which says setting aside arbitral award, section 34. Finality and enforcement of arbitral award. Arbitral award shall be final and binding on the parties and person claiming under them, section 35. Line on arbitral award and deposits on as to cause, section 39. Arbitration agreement shall not be charged by the death of any party, section 40. Expression receiver includes an official assignee. 41 subsection 3. The Limitation Act 1936 of 1963 shall apply to arbitration as it applies to the proceeding in the court. Section 43 subsection 1. Thank you so much, and this is a flowchart I will also include with my lecture. Rest lecture would be concluded through series likewise. So let's hope for the best, and I'm done for the day. So we'll see in the next lecture for the arbitrational proceedings. Thank you so much.